Only talk I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we don't need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel. Jaden Chase, and yes, we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like and post a share on the blog in shoot. Now, viewers and subscribers, breaking news: Vybz Kartel appeal, viewers and subscribers. It is good to hear from the judges, but also the fact that that letter was met with mixed reviews, viewers and subscribers. The attorneys are now speaking out, viewers and subscribers, and them say, as a matter of fact, this delay is almost at the point where it could be going against the teachers' constitutional rights, viewers and subscribers. As a matter of fact, you know what we're gonna do. We are going to hear an exclusive clip from the lawyers themselves, and then we're gonna continue the reasoning, viewers and subscribers. Look, I'm also wanting to listen.
2014 murder conviction overturned.
Delay in a case, be it court of appeal or trial court, is constitutionally protected issue, and therefore we are bordering on this delay becoming almost offensive.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we don't need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel. Jaden Chase, and yes, we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like and post a share on the blog in shoot. Now, viewers and subscribers, breaking news: Vybz Kartel appeal, viewers and subscribers. It is good to hear from the judges, but also the fact that that letter was met with mixed reviews, viewers and subscribers. The attorneys are now speaking out, viewers and subscribers, and them say, as a matter of fact, this delay is almost at the point where it could be going against the teachers' constitutional rights, viewers and subscribers. As a matter of fact, you know what we're gonna do. We are going to hear an exclusive clip from the lawyers themselves, and then we're gonna continue the reasoning, viewers and subscribers. Look, I'm also wanting to listen. Yes, viewers and subscribers, and for those who are wondering, what did that letter mean and what the implications of statements said? Now, viewers and subscribers, it has reached the point where there is no more delays ahead. Meaning, say, if there is any more delay, it could be against the law, viewers and subscribers. Yes, so the 3-judge tribunal are at that point now where a ruling has to be made, viewers and subscribers. The prosecution is out of time. They can no longer present any new evidence to the matter. And I mean, it reached the point now where I just decision time, viewers and subscribers. And the lawyer them say yes, them pass through, them link up with the RTs, of course, the defendants as they are referred to, the clients as they are referred to, viewers and subscribers, and them upbeat yet still frustrated, viewers and subscribers, because the lawyers have expressed and explained the legalities of what is happening and what is taking place to them themselves, and them hear it and them say, boy, that not sound like good news within itself. But at the same time, remember, to be in appeal for a year and a half, viewers and subscribers, it has to be frustrating. Teachers say stand strong. Him say, what you know about pressure? These are the pressures where the artists are faced, viewers and subscribers. We know well-wishers and fans want the teacher home as soon as possible. That's why as soon as something happens with the appeal, viewers and subscribers, we have to make. Oh no, we have to tell you right away. We can't make no delay. Yeah, we say delay is out of the question, viewers and subscribers. As soon as we get official confirmation, we have to talk to you about it. Now the lawyers, viewers and subscribers, these are people represented numerous other clients, viewers and subscribers. Situations like these and situations of a different nature. But one thing is for sure, viewers and subscribers, a court proceeding, the procedure never changes, viewers and subscribers. When this letter is sent out, it is to assure all parties that this is being moved along, viewers and subscribers. It is not added to the backlog of files that is at the courts right now. No, this is something that has crossed the decks, and it is almost at the point now where we can give out a ruling date. And the president of the court sent this letter out. The president, meaning that the person know exactly what going on in the courts. Because as the lawyers point out, viewers and subscribers, it's almost at that point where people can say Any more time added, any more delays would almost be against the law, or will be against the law, viewers and subscribers. I will know the judge them now go do that. So we're gonna get the results. And as I always say, we're gonna drop something soon and very soon, viewers and subscribers, and what these likely results might be. Where it gonna be, where it look like, what the liar them feel like it can be, what are the possibilities, because we have to look on all possibilities, viewers and subscribers. We not count chicken before them but we not farmer, we not raise fowl, but we have to look on the analytics of what going on, the facts, the data. Now I mean what is being said. We have to read the transcripts them ourselves, viewers and subscribers. I want to look into what going on. It definitely look good, but we have to look on all possibilities. And as I will say, we are gonna drop something about that soon and very soon. Right now we are making the know, viewers and subscribers, delays are out of the question. At this point in time, if there is any more delay, it would be unconstitutional, viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? Yes, unconstitutional means that it would be against Jamaican law. So there has to be a result soon and very soon. Gaza Nation has said this Christmas, because right now we are in the Gaza weekend and we are experiencing a Gaza Christmas, viewers and subscribers. And the teacher, Sean Stam, co-accused, we need them home. We need them home, viewers and subscribers. We need them home as soon as possible. Talk to me in the comment section. Let me know what you feel about this new turn of event, viewers and subscribers. The fact that the 3-judge tribunal sent out a letter to the defense team and to the prosecution that the trial is the appeal trial is now at an advanced stage, viewers and subscribers. An advanced stage meaning they are past the point of just reading our transcripts, evidence being presented and cross-examined. Now we are at the point where we are about to give a decision. A ruling is about to be made, viewers and subscribers, and it has a few possibilities, very few. You know what I mean? Less than 4 possibilities for the appeal results. You know what I mean? So while we have yet to get a confirmed date on when this will be happening, viewers and subscribers, we are proud and happy to know say yes, it is moving right along and the liar them not sleep. Them make sure so we get what we need to get, viewers and subscribers. Some people ask why is this important to the liars? Well, first and foremost, they have a duty to, you know what I mean, they have a duty to their client. Other than that, a win in a case of this magnitude, viewers and subscribers, would be immense for their law career. All RTs, even the legally, even the, what do they call them? The people who are working in the legal office, even everybody associated with this case, viewers and subscribers, will have their career made after this victory. Yeah man, everybody and them friends are going to hire them for whatever reason. You know what I mean? And these are already prominent figures in the law world. You know what I mean? So this is just another big move and achievement for them, viewers and subscribers. So while some people might say, yo, there is still uncertainty and lack of trust, you know what I mean, the Gaza Nation up for the lie as well. These are the people that Vybz Kartel handpicked for representing for that situation. So we have to know, say, yo, you know what I mean? We have to trust in the G decisions and know, say, alright, he might make the right moves as far as he can see, viewers and subscribers. The artist can see through wall or see the future. That is not an ability possessed by the teacher. Him can see through wall and him can see the future. So him have to make decisions based on information presented to him, how it look from theme point of view. So these are the people in charge, viewers and subscribers, of the whole situation. This is the legal team, and the teacher feel like say, yo, you know what I mean? The situation is in good hands. And the greatest thing, them are work tediously to get us the appeal results, viewers and subscribers. So we are look forward to hearing the appeal results this Friday. Yeah man, this Friday, this Christmas, viewers and subscribers. This Christmas. You know what I mean? No, we're not going as far as we said this Friday. This Christmas. Correction. Don't send me it said this Christmas. Don't send me it said this Friday. It's Christmas, we say, viewers and subscribers. You know the something go. You know what I mean? Gaza Nation, talk to me in the comment section. Make you know what your thoughts, what your opinions, what your vibe on this, viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? Turn of events. Everybody, all major tabloids, everybody want to know what going on with the teacher at Christmas now. And as we can see, the whole dance hall, the whole island, as a matter of fact, the whole world is expecting the teacher home for this Christmas. Beautiful island already uploaded on the platform, and the teacher says, holiday again, I'm coming home. Yes, legal system can't hold the teacher no more. He's coming home, viewers and subscribers, soon and very soon. I have to keep optimistic, you know what I mean, and keep notifying the Gaza nation for all our go on as soon as it occurs, viewers and subscribers. You know there's something go. Talk to me in the comment section. The comment section is always open 24/7. The comment section open, it never closed yet. Just be mindful of the guidelines. Yes, be mindful of the guidelines. However, viewers and subscribers, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. Make we know what you feel about the situation. You know what I mean? If you see this as good news, or if you are wonder if there will be another delay, even though that would be unconstitutional, talk to me in the comment section. The like icon is there as well. For me, like where your viewers and subscribers. For me, I like the update. I like the fact that we are keeping update up to date to do our go and drop a like on the vlog, viewers and subscribers. You know there's something going to share. Icon is there as well. So you can tell a friend, but tell a friend, but tell them brother and them sister, them viewers and subscribers. Yes, for check out the channel and for check out the reasoning, join the discussion. Quick recap, viewers and subscribers. Yes, the 3-judge tribunal and the president of the courts has said the appeal is at an advanced stage. Well, now the lawyers, viewers and subscribers are explaining to us what that means. You know what I mean? Yes, we need lawyers for explain legal terms. As so there's something good. That's why we hire attorneys so that they can explain to us the legalities of things being said, viewers and subscribers. And this is what they had to say. It would be unconstitutional for there to be any more delay, viewers and subscribers, in this appeal. And that within itself is good news. The facts that we know say there will be no more breaks. Them can't roll off. Them can't say next year again. Them can't say next 2 years. Them can't say next 6 months. No. Them have to give it a result soon and very soon. That within itself, in my personal opinion, and as to the teacher look, or to the teacher post on him IG and to him sentiments, look at what the liar them say. Him upbeat, even though still frustrated as anybody would be in the situation with him. But at the same time, he might look to the, you know what I mean, for the best results. And we are looking for the same. Vice to the one called Jaden Chase, viewers and subscribers. And we have just had another exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. You know what I mean? I'm reminding anybody new to the channel, just a pass through. But don't like the reason and don't like the point of view. For click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for leave, and as I say, leave a like and a comment on the vlog. My sentiments for you, first and foremost, are up-move settings, viewers and subscribers. Until the reason again, may I say live, love, and prosper, viewers and subscribers.